Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in the TMGM broker using the Tether TRC20 method. As you saw in previous tutorials, we created our account in this broker and completed the identity verification. Now to fund your account, you need to click on the deposit option in the funding section from the left panel, conch, and choose the Tether or USDT method from the available methods. On the next page, you select the account you want to fund, which is denominated in USD. You enter the amount you wish to deposit and set the currency to USDT. You can choose the type of USDT between TRC and ERC. In this tutorial, we use the TRC20 method, and in the next section, your mobile phone number is entered. Please note that the minimum deposit amount is $50 and the maximum is $200,000. For each new deposit operation you perform, a unique address is generated, and you cannot reuse this address. You need to make the payment according to the information provided to you, and enter the amount accurately so that your transaction can be identified. You are also required to save and upload the payment receipt for each payment operation. Deposit operations are usually completed within 20 minutes. Also, please note that third-party phone deposits are not allowed. After entering this information, you click on the Submit option, and on the next page, the destination address and amount are displayed to you. You enter your wallet on your mobile phone. You select the desired currency, which is Tether on the Tron network, and click on Send. On the next page, in the first section, you need to enter the destination address, and in the next section, enter the exact amount you intend to deposit. You can also click on this option to scan the displayed QR code and complete the deposit operation. On the next page, the source address, destination address, fee amount, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering the password, the payment operation will be completed. After completing the deposit operation on this page, by clicking on the More Details option, you can view more details of your transaction on the TronScan website. Again, in this section, it is stated that you should not make deposits to old addresses, and only use the TRC20 Tether network for this transaction. Deposit the exact specified amount, and upload the transaction confirmation after the deposit operation to complete this transaction. Additionally, you have a specific amount of time to complete this deposit operation. After completing the transaction, you can take a screenshot of this page to use for uploading on the website and click on the Got It option. In this section, you need to upload the screenshot you took, which should include the address, the transferred amount, and the hash ID. After uploading the screenshot, click on the Submit option. After a few minutes, you will see that your payment transaction has been successfully completed. To view the details of this transaction, you can enter the Report section from the left panel, where you will see the details of your transaction. This was the tutorial on how to fund your account in the TMGM broker using the Tether TRC20 method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.